Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
Are you a Harley Davidson owner like myself? Well, if you are aware of the constant need to upgrade our bikes, whether it be performance, comfort, or style. And I want to talk to you guys about a set of passenger pegs from our partners Benlari. Let's get into the video. Enjoy. Benlari always does a phenomenal job with presentation of their products. They don't disappoint with this. They also always give you some amazing instructions. They're in all color and are easily laid out for you to understand. I mean, God, the only other thing they could do is add pop-ups or something like that. This instruction manual is like a fairy tale. And obviously, not disappointing with presentation again. We've got our set of bolts. I'm pretty sure these are locking components for the mounting hardware. Looks like we have our mounting points right here. Everything is powder coated, looking good, no rough edges, everything is rounded, nothing sharp. And then right here, the pegs. I think these are going to be phenomenal. There you go. It's pretty sweet. And per the instructions, here's one of them put together with the locking pin in place. Looking good. All right, you guys, Benlari Passenger Pegs. Not much more to them. I don't know what else to tell you. They look good, they look stylish, they work. The wife is happy with them. I'm happy with them. Give Benlari a look, you guys. Great company, great products, things you want, things you need. The shirt is a little bit different. Let's give it up to Harley Davidson, Honolulu in Hawaii. Kenneth, thank you so much for sending me the shirts and all the other gifts. You guys, stay safe out there. All about the ride, all about the adventure. Later.